Chicago Electric Welding Helmet. I've used this helmet before. I borrowed one off my cousin. I'll throw some footage in this video somewhere. Which is why I wanted to go buy one. Because I liked it. Now, the only difference between his and this one is he got the one with the designs on it. I didn't want to pay the extra money to look cool, because who cares what you look like when you're working? So you can adjust your helmet with this gauge right here, and delay time, slow and fast. I always set mine on fast. Always do. These helmets, they feel cheap, they look cheap, but they get the job done, and they're auto darkening. What's funny is that fluorescent light activates this. That's actually cool. Because if you know anything about fluorescent lights, it will activate a solar panel. The LED won't. That's cool. That's a good way to test your helmet. Make sure it's working. Either A, with a lighter, or B, with a fluorescent light. I never thought to use the fluorescent light though. But hey, it was just working. So, when you're shopping around for a helmet, if you're like me, and you just do things here and there, I do things more than just here and there, but this is at home. I'm not using my welder all day, every day for work. I would not suggest this helmet for work unless you're a new guy and you're training and you're not sure if welding is going to be your thing or whatever. Then go get you a $40 helmet, because if you decide to go full time or go into the field doing it, then you get yourself a better helmet, one that will be a lot more better than this one. These are nothing spectacular. They're nothing fantastic. They're just a cheap welding helmet for 40 bucks for auto darkening. Hey, go buy it. I'll throw some footage in right now. It works great. I borrowed it off my cousin. I had it here for months. I was using it all the time. Then he needed to borrow it back. It's his. And I just said, you know what? I liked his. I'm going to go get my own. When I first got my welder, I got that cheap thing. Oh well. This is what it is. I just went and got my own. Now I got two. So now I want to teach my boy how to weld. He can put that mask on and watch me. You know what I mean? So, alright guys, that's it for this one. I hope you give me a like, a share, and a subscribe. See you in the next one, guys. Peace and God bless.